The suspects include two directors of Nile Treasure Gate Company, Abubakar Sulaiman Kato, Mariam Mohammed, and other members who include Muhammad Salma, who is a board member, Ali Hassan Malay, who is the treasurer, and Jennifer Mili Naluga, a supervisor at the same company. These were all arraigned before court for their bail application hearing. Caleb Alaka and Evans Ocheng, the accused lawyers, asked the Honorable Court to accept and grant bail to the accused, stating that it's their right to apply for bail and had presented substantial sureties.
The requirements of the law for you to exercise your discretion to give them that temporary relief. Lord, there is no any other place they can get a relief. They are law-abiding. They have not attempted to run or take off from court. They are waiting for relief from court. We humbly ask court, my Lord, to consider them. Consider their application.
The state prosecutor, Joseph Chomhendo, asked court to dismiss the bail application, citing various issues like the nature and gravity of the charges.
The nature or gravity of the charges against the applicants. 2, the likelihood of the applicants interfering with the prosecution witnesses. 3, the condition of the victim, Nakintu. 4, the sureties presented to this Honorable Court are not substantial. 5, the applicants have not ably proved to this Honorable Court that they indeed have a fixed place of abode. They are a flight risk. We call upon and invite this Honorable Court to dismiss this application. We so pray.
After hearing the submissions of both parties, the presiding judge, Susan Olokon, ruled that she would pronounce herself on the matter on the 23rd of November.
The whole of next week, I'll be attending an official meeting of judicial officers in Rwanda, where I have to make a presentation on behalf of the judiciary. So I will not be there next week. But hoping that when I come back, I'll be able to make a decision that next week.
The president of Migrant Workers, Abdallah Kayondo, however, dissented that it is tricky for the accused persons to be granted bail since several threats believed to erupt from them have worried Nakintu and her family.
But we also feel scared that if they are left to move out, our own are in threat and Nakintu's family is at risk, including myself. So we wish the judge consider it in our favor and that makes these people stay. They wait or even quicken the process of hearing the court case until we get the justice.
Prosecution alleges that the company, its bosses, and others still at large between December 2019 and October 2021 between Kampala District and Saudi Arabia organized, facilitated, and made preparations for sending and receiving of Nakintu by means of fraud for purposes of removal of her body organ.